Hello and welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. This is our fourth alternate. I had alternate 3 set as alternate 2. I'm completely off the map here. So this is alternate 4 for Wednesday using the paper pumpkin kit from January 2026 called Special Delivery. I've got a Mossy Meadow card base here. And I've got the card front from the kit. I've also got 2 of the stamps from the kit. I've got the little forget-me-nots from the kit. And I took the greeting piece and I flipped it over and I embossed it with the exposed brick 3D folder. I debated on whether I should use Blueberry Bushel for the Happy Birthday or the Mossy Meadow, and the Happy Birthday is from the Simply Said set. So what I did is I did a test strip. It's not going to be 100%, but I kind of popped some of the elements onto the card like this, and then I put the Happy Birthday down from the Blueberry Bushel, and then I put it down from the Mossy Meadow. And I like the Mossy Meadow better. I'm not sure what color this is. It's almost like it's soft sea foam or a light color Lost Lagoon, but I didn't have an ink that really went with that. So I think I'm going to go with the Happy Birthday or with the Mossy Meadow as opposed to the Azure After or the Blueberry Bushel. Okay, so anyway, you can always do a test strip if you're not sure. So I'm going to stamp this with the Simply Said Happy Birthday before we get started. And I'm in the Mossy Meadow, and I'm going to need to pull this towards me a little bit. I'm out of frame, I know, or right at the very bottom of my frame, but I need to line this up because I only have one of these left. So there, we've got the Happy Birthday done. Okay, I like to do my stamping before I do my gluing, just in case I mess up my stamping. Okay, so I'm just going to adhere this down. Whatever your preferred method is, whether it's double-sided tape or like the Stampin' seal, or if it's glue, whichever you prefer. So that's on there like that. Then I need to take these elements. I'm so sorry for the jump in the video. My phone storage was full, so the video stopped at about the point I had just started to lay these pieces down. And as I've said before, I only have one kit, so I don't have enough to remake the card. So I'm just going to talk you through how I finished it off. After I'd stamped the Happy Birthday in the Mossy Meadow and attached this piece to the card base, I lined up the images or the little stamps so that they were centered, and the middle piece is one of the greetings, and I ran it through the exposed brick folder, and those are all flat mounted down. And then I took this sprig of forget-me-nots and I put a dimensional on the back of each of the flowers, and then a half a dimensional on the back of this one leaf at the bottom here. And then I just attached it down. So I'm so sorry that you didn't see the whole process, but this is the finished card, and I just laid these out so they were kind of equal spaced and then put this over top. And I love that little bit of detail in the background from the embossing folder. So thank you so much for watching, and let's create together again soon.